Good afternoon, dear friends. Today we will trade the dynamic dual option strategy with you. This trading strategy is based on two indicators. There are the moving average indicator and the ADX indicator. I have previously traded on this strategy and watched how the synergy of these two indicators works, and I really like it. This session turned out to be very good, after which I added this trading strategy to my main trade. The risk I sometimes use it during periods. About low volatility, when there is a range in the market, there is a sideways movement when the price moves in the same range. This trading strategy works out in the best way at such a time. So let me remind you how the strategy works. When the ADX indicator is an ascending position, the indicator line goes up. It means that the trend is trend trading. And it doesn't matter if it's a downtrend or an uptrend. Here, in this example, the downtrend is trend trading, as you can see. In this example, ascending. The moving average also tells us the direction of the trend, and the totality of these indicators can tell us at what point is the best for us to open a position. In this example, we see that the price has been traded for some time below the moving average line and then crossed it and went in upward direction. We also see that at this time the ADX indicator indicated to us the trend is trend trading. Throughout this moment, we could open positions for an increase, starting with this candle. But when we see that on the ADX indicator, the indicator line stops growing, goes either in a forward direction or in downward direction, then we stop opening positions. Also, we don't open positions when the moving average line crosses from top to bottom. That is, the trend becomes downward again. In this example, we see that the price traded in uptrend for a short time above the moving average line, after which a downward movement began. The ADX indicator also indicated to us that the trend was trend trading, and throughout this movement we could open positions for a decrease also for 2 minutes. But when the line of the ADX indicator has stopped moving in the upward direction, we also stop opening our positions for a decrease. Well, for trading on this strategy, I added all trading pairs to my chart. Since we previously traded this strategy on UTC pairs, today I want to check how it works on regular pairs. I set the transaction time to 2 minutes. The amount of the transaction I set first is $100. This is the optimal amount of the deal that I decided to make the starting one for day. Why the starting one? Because I will be engaged in overclocking the deposit and after each successful transaction. I will increase the amount of the next transaction by $50. I will also work according to the martingale system, that is, if I catch a minus. I will double the amount of the next transaction in order to recap the minus transaction, as we earn on top. Well, we have figured out the trading strategy. We have added trading pairs to the chart. Set the time, set the amount, you can start trading. I'm starting a trading session and looking for a suitable opportunity to enter a position. Let's go! Here, I saw a great opportunity to open position for promotion. We are above the moving average line, the trend is upward. Also, the ADX indicator indicates to you the presence of an uptrend and its trend trading. Therefore, I have opened this position here. We are waiting for its completion. So, our first deal turned out to be zero, that is, we didn't get any profit. No went into negative, so we just look further. So in this example, I will open a position for a race. We see that the price has crossed the moving average line from the bottom up and is now charting in the upward direction. Also, the ADX indicator is in the upward direction. The signal indicates that an ascending current is about to begin. You can see by this green candle that the price starts to grow very quickly and aggressively. So we opened the position at the right time and in the right direction. Now we are waiting for its completion. Great, our second deal turned out to be positive. The amount of the third transaction I will put up $150. We look further. So, I immediately found a good opportunity to enter the next position. We see the trend, strain trading on the ADX indicator. We also see that the price is above the moving average line, which indicates an uptrend and its strain trading. We are waiting for the completion of this transaction. Unfortunately, our third deal turned out to be negative. I will set the amount of the fourth transaction at $300, twice as high as the third one, in order to buy it and also earn more. We look further. So, in this example, I opened the position for a race. We see that the price is trading above the moving average line, which indicates up on trade. Also, the lines of the ADX indicator are in the upward direction, which indicates an increase in this trend. Therefore, we are waiting for the completion of this transaction. Great! Our fourth deal turned out to be profitable. I will set the amount of the fifth transaction at $250 because after each transaction I had to raise the amount of the next transaction by $50. We look further. In this example, I opened the position to increase because the price is drawn above the moving average line. What indicates an uptrend? The ADX indicator indicates that this trend is strain trading. We are waiting for the completion of this transaction. Great! Our fifth deal turned out to be positive. I will set the amount of the sixth transaction at $300. We look further. In this example, I see a good opportunity to open a trade of downgrade. We see that the price is trading below the moving average line, which indicates a downtrend, and the ADX indicator is strain trading, which indicates is strain trading. We are waiting for the completion of this transaction. over 6 deals turned out to be profitable, and perhaps I will end today's trading session with this. Today I opened 6 deals, 4 of them were positive, 1 was 0 and 1 was negative, but we immediately recapped it using the martingale system. Well, the default for today's trading session is 80%. I think this is a wonderful result. If you trade using this trading strategy and set the same indicator settings, then you can also safely increase your deposit without any special risks and losses. Thank you for watching and see you soon. Bye bye.